Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Today's recipe is a viewer recipe request. Best Oven Baked Beet Chips. The best part is, you can make these with pantry supplies. It's better than the store-bought ones without any preservatives. Preheat oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. All we need is beets, olive oil, salt, and pepper. You can also use garlic salt or any seasoning if you like. Peel the beets. Either use a mandolin slicer or a knife to slice beets as thin as possible. Place beets in a mixing bowl. Pour oil and season with salt and pepper. Toss well. Let the beets sit for about 30 minutes. The reason we're doing this is so that the beetroot juice and color comes out with the oil. After 30 minutes, remove beets from the liquid and lay on a paper-lined tray. Bake for 45 minutes or until the chips are crispy. Remove and allow it to cool completely. Transfer to an airtight container. These chips stay fresh for up to 3 weeks if stored properly.
I like the chips. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye-bye!